Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, my name is Arun Kumar. So today I am doing a video about how to register a Salesforce certification and how to get a free Salesforce certification we can register provided by Salesforce. So now initially in the browser just search for web accessor. After click on web accessor. So here if you have an account you can log in here, or if you don't have account just click on create new account. Here you need to provide all the information, so your email address and your first name, last name, and your city, country. So which are all showing in star mark or mandatory one we should enter. So now I am completing my information, so one by one. So enter your address like your city or your village, then information after your city and your state. So it's showing US. So first we should change the country to India. Yeah, now we can choose our state and enter postal code. So here email address associated with Salesforce account. This means so the email which you are using to log into our Salesforce account and our Trailhead account we can enter here, and your company name, and in the certification how your name should be represent, that information you can enter. So I am entering my full name, and RUA. I am a Salesforce employee, Salesforce partner, and Salesforce customer. I am choosing the SFDC employee, and verification yes. So my role it's coming to private. Now save. After saving this, automatically it will send an email verification. So there we need to reset our password. After resetting the password, now we need to log in here. So enter your username and the created password. So whatever the password you have resetted, you need to enter here. Actually I skipped that step, so you can reset by yourself. So after that, so this is the Criterion official website. So here it's showing welcome to Arun Kumar Amuri and Salesforce official partner and home. And if you click on my assessment, here we can view the any scheduled exams, and now click on register for exam. So here we can able to register our exam. So once again click on that. Now see in below it's showing multiple categories. So in all the categories exams. So if you click on associate, multiple associate related exams, and for administrator we have these exams, and for app builder these are the options. Now I'm telling right, we have a free Salesforce certification. Salesforce is providing Salesforce certified AA associate is for free. So click on plus. Now we are able to see it's showing free. So simple register. But for retake it will charge. So first for one time it's free. Now see, it will asking us to choose for a certification date. Here we can choose the date. So always try to choose the longer date. Then only you can able to prepone and postpone. If you choose for today or tomorrow, it's difficult. And choose the time now. I am choosing the 3 p.m. After that, acknowledge here. That's it. Select. Now date is selected. So here normally if you have any coupon code you can enter here. So this is a free exam, right? Just click on submit. Oh, it's asking invalid promo code, so no need to worry about this. If you scroll down, in below we have checkout option, so click on that. So it's loading. This is webmaster help, so no need close. That's it. In below we have done and print is there. Click on done. Go to my assessment. So not now. Are you able to see our exam is registered for 31st October 2024. So like this we can able to register our free Salesforce AI exam. After that we can install secure browser and enroll biometric to complete our exam. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please share with our friends. Those who are interested to do a certification, please share with them, and please support my channel and please support me to do more videos. Thank you so much friends.